So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy dividend stocks here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Once Wealthsimple is opened up, just go to the bottom and select the magnifying glass, then go to the top to where it says search. Now, when you're on this page right here, if you're looking for like specific dividend stocks, you can simply type in the word dividend right here at the top, and then you can view a whole bunch of different stocks here that are either dividend stocks or whatever. So let's just say, for example, we're going to go ahead and select this one, ticker symbol PDIV, Purpose Enhanced Dividend Fund. If you were to select that and then scroll down a little bit here, you can see under dividends what the 12-month yield is, and this is also a monthly dividend. So, obviously the higher percentage, the higher dividend stock. Another way you can do it as well is you can simply go ahead and press all categories right here, and then you can select a category in which is typically higher dividend paying. So for this example, I will select banking, and let's say you wanted to just do a Canadian bank, for example, and we'll use RBC as an example. If you were to scroll down here, the dividend is right there. It's quarterly. You can go ahead and select TD, whatever the case may be, and you can do dividend paying stocks this way as well. But we'll just go ahead and go back to what I was saying before. I will type in dividend just like this, and we'll use the ticker symbol PDIV. So once your stock is selected, you can then select the account. So in this case, I'll just go to the bottom left, and I will use my TFSA as an example, and then go to the bottom right and press buy. Once you're on this page right here, you can go to the top right and select which order type you want. I will use market for this example. And if you just wanted to buy one share or $1 worth, you can type in $1, press review. Then you're on this screen right here where you can go ahead and buy dividend stocks. So once again, make sure that your account selected, the order type selected, the cost, and if this looks good to go to the bottom, press on key order. But once again, most importantly here, you can type in dividend if you want to find maybe higher paying dividend stocks. That way, you can also go ahead and go to all categories right here, and you can just kind of scroll down, find different options right here, and if this looks good to you, you can then proceed with the buying of dividend stocks that way. So, but that's how you guys can buy dividend stocks here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.